is the best coach in the world, and we're thrilled to have him here. And I can say with full certainty that through the efforts of our owner, Michelle Kang, and her drive, determination to surround herself with the best, she spent the time, the energy, and went to Barcelona and was able to show Jonah that this project that we're all involved with is quite a worthwhile project. So let me be the first here publicly to welcome Jonah to us, and
Thank you.
Great having you here.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you for your welcome. Thank you everyone as well for being here today. And for me, yeah, it's always the beginning is a special moment. I am very happy to be here, to be part of the family of Washington Spirit. And when I decided to join to Washington at that moment, I remember the beginning of the shock that for me and my family had that decision, but I did not need too much time to decide that we wanted to come here because yeah, many reasons, many things. I won everything in Barça. I was really lucky to be part of Barca's family the last 6 seasons. The first as assistant coach, and the last 3 ones as a main coach. And yeah, I had the desire to have a new chapter, a new challenge, and for sure living here in Washington, knowing different players, different culture, other staff members, and for sure the big vision that Michelle Kang has. When Michelle and Mark showed me all the process, all that they are building, was crazy. It was very easy for me to take the right decision. And for sure, after the first few days here, I'm trying to understand all the process of the industry, how it's working the team, because they are performing really well. But for sure, very happy to be part of family from Washington.